Hi viewers, this is Kumaresan from LIT channel. Today we are going to discuss about writing part from grade 10. Yes children, question number 5A and B today we are going to discuss. Is it right? Okay, especially formal letters we will discuss today. Formal letters, all the formal letters as well as the format, how to write the letter without any mistakes. So what is the exact criteria followed by the Cbse to evaluate all the papers? All those things we will discuss today. Shall we get into the chapter? Yes. Formal letters. There will be 4 types of formal letters in English. Okay, especially grade 10, based on that there will be 4 types of formal letters. The very first one is letter to editor. Second one, placing an order. Third one, enquiry letter. The fourth one, complaint letter. There will be same format for all the 4 letters. If you thorough the format of formal letters, you can applicable. That format can be applicable for all the 4 letters. Shall we get into the format? Actually, format consists of 1 mark. Actually, there is a mark criteria for Cbse pattern. So, which based on evaluators usually. So what is the criteria which can be followed by the team to evaluate the papers? There will be 4 criteria. The very first one is about format. Format consists of 1 mark. The second one is about content. It carries 2 mark. The third one is about organization. Organization the points, especially main body of the letter. Organization 1 mark. The fourth one is about accuracy point of view. Accuracy, which means errors. We used to say mechanical errors. Mechanical error, which means spelling error, grammatical error, content error and punctuation error. All the 4 errors comes under the accuracy point of view. So there will be 5 marks. Format 1 mark, content 2 mark, organization 1 mark, then accuracy 1 mark. Okay, so what is the exact format for all the 4 letters? Okay, so you may have doubt about if you are writing the sender's address, whether you supposed to use the name of the person or the position of the person. There will be lot of questions in your mind. We can clarify all your doubts in this video. Please come. So you have to start with the sender's address. At very first you have to start with the sender's address without sender's name. You have to write the sender's address without name, but you can use their profession, designation or position you can use. For example, you are the principal of ABC school means you can use principal followed by address. Instead of that, you are Raman, principal of ABC school means you are not supposed to use Raman over here. Get it? Yes. So sender's address without name of the person. Without name of the person. But you can use their designation or position can be used. Is it clear? You should be minimum 2 lines, maximum 3 lines. Okay, followed by line break. There will be a line break. Then date we must use. Okay, date must be alphanumeric value. Date must be alphanumeric value. alphanumeric style you must follow. For example, today date is, say for example, 5 May 2025. So we must follow this pattern only. So this is the alphanumeric pattern, followed by line break. Then receiver's address. Who is going to receive the letter? If it is a letter to editor, this letter may be received by the editorial board. Okay. So if it is a editorial board means, so what we have to write? The editor. We have to use definite article the followed by editor. The first letter capital, then editor, first letter capital. The editor, followed by the editor belongs to which newspaper? Say for example, the Hindu. The Hindu newspaper, Chennai. Is it clear? So we have to start with the sender's address followed by date, then receiver's address. It comes under the receiver's address. Okay, then after receiver's address there will be a line break. Then we have to write the subject of the letter. Subject must be 6 to 8 word combination. Here subject content words. Subject we have to use 6 to 8 word combination. We can classify the words into 2 categories. The first one is about content words. Content words. The second one is structural words. Content words and structural words. What is meant by content words? Content word means all the noun, pronoun, adjectives, adverbs to be occurs in the place of content. What about the structural words? Article, verb, preposition, conjunction used to be placed at the place of structural words. As I told already, subject matter, the subject content must be 6 to 8 word combination. From the 6 to 8 word combination, we have to classify the 2 set of words. Based on this only, we are supposed to construct the subject. Okay. So wherever you are using the content word, it must be placed capital letter. It must be placed capital letters, whereas structural words used to be placed small letters. Is it clear, children? Then after the subject, there will be a line break. There will be a line break. Then there will be a line break. Then after salutation. Salutation must be sir or madam. You have to use either sir or madam only. Say for example, if you are using sir, is it fine? Or else we can use madam. This can be fine. Okay, we should not use dear sir, dear madam, respected sir, respected madam. We are not supposed to use Cbse pattern based on that. The salutation, we have to start with the main body of the letter. Okay, main body consists of 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is about introduction paragraph. The second paragraph is about main content paragraph. The third paragraph is about conclusion paragraph. Okay, after the sir or madam, We are not supposed to place any of the punctuation mark. Okay, there will be no punctuation mark at the end of the details. If it is the receiver's address, if it is the sender's address, if it is the salutation, we should not place any of the punctuation mark. All those details should be comes under the left side margin. Left side margin close. It should not be middle of the paper, or it should not be right side of the paper. It should be placed very close to the margin. Okay, make a note of it. So after the salutation, we have to start with the main body of the letter. Main body consists of 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. The first one is about introduction, intro paragraph. The second paragraph is about main body, main content. Third paragraph is about conclusion, conclusion paragraph. After completing all the 3 paragraphs, you just include that there will be a line break each and every paragraph. Line break. Here also line break. After completing all the paragraph, we have to give a close-up line also. Close-up lines. Okay. The authorities, the concerned authorities should take appropriate action against the issues, whatever it may be. Okay. We have to close up the letters we must use. After, there will be a line break. Then complementary clause, subscription clause. Complementary clause or subscription clause we used to say. After the conclusion, there will be a line break. Then complementary clause. Complementary clause, we have to use the exact complementary, exact subscription for the letter. If it is a letter to editor, we have to use yours truly, Y capital followed by yours truly. T should be small letter. You should clear about what is the exact spelling for truly. If it is the rest of 3 letters, if it is the other letter, if it is the inquiry letter, if it is a placing an order, or else it is the inquiry letter, we have to use yours sincerely. If it is a letter to editor, we have to use yours truly. Make a note of it. Yours truly followed by SND format. Complementary clause. Here there will be a line break. Sorry, there will be a line break over here. Line break. Actually, after conclusion or else close-ups, there will be a line break. So it has to be mentioned over here. Okay. So line break, complementary clause. Again, there will be a line break. Then you can easily remember. So what is the exact thing we have to use after the complementary clause? SND. SND. S stands for signature. Signature. The name of the person who is writing this letter. It is about the Raman. So there will be a signature. There will be a signature followed by name. Name should be capital letter. Signature, then capital name. Raman. Capital, including bracket marks, enclosed marks. Then D stands for destination or position. It is about a concerned citizen. Concerned citizen. So this is the format for all the 4 letters. All the 4 formal letters, we have seen their formats. So we have to start with the sender's address, followed by date, line break, receiver's address, line break, subject, line break, salutation, followed by body of the letter. Body of the letter consists of 3 paragraphs: introduction part, main body, conclusion part, or else close-up line should be there, followed by line break, then complementary close. Complementary close, if it is a truly means, it is only for letter to editor. If it is a sincerely, the rest of 3 letters. After SND format, we have to apply. S stands for signature, N stands for name of the writer, name of the writing the letter. Then D stands for position or as the destination of the person. This is the format for all the formal letters. Thank you.